Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Lamborghini Urus key fob. As you can see, it's the same fob as the newest Audi fob. And here's what you need: a flat blade screwdriver about this size. You need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon, they're only a couple bucks. There's a link below in the description. Now what you want to do here is this piece is what's going to come out. So first remove your mechanical key, press down here. Now you're going to want to angle this. I think it's easier with the screwdriver, but I want to show you how to do it without a screwdriver. You want to angle this kind of this way, and there's a latch right here. Get there and push up, and you can see there's a little bit of separation there. So just use your finger, you can finish it the rest of the way. Now at this point I think it's easier to use your screwdriver right here. You can use the key again, but screwdriver is easier. Put your new battery back in. This will snap back here, and insert your mechanical key, then you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was enjoyable. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.